What's up, guys? Today I am planting my seeds to see what grows. I've been trying for 2 years now to plant a garden, and I always started too early, so I decided to start it now that it's April 2nd. It's supposed to be warm for the rest of the week, so hopefully my seeds won't die. So I'll show you what I did. We had to start our plants over because the wind destroyed them. So this is what we did. We got real, planters. We planted, it looks like we planted a lot more. I don't know, Elise did it while I finished, I think I did the front yard. And what?
You destroyed my stick.
Sorry. And then we're gonna prop the pallet against it completely instead of on the side. Then hopefully it'll be good. We just planted our tree. It's a Yoshino cherry. Can't wait for it to blossom. Take this paper off. Got it from Home Depot. Obviously we've got some work to do around it. I don't know why I took it off like this. I'm a fucking idiot. There we go. Okay. So that's what it's gonna look like. Pretty tree, pretty. This is what it looks like now. And then I also spray painted this pole because it looked really ugly. So I made it really gay. And I'll show you what I did in the front yard. First of all, I got rid of all those bushes. And the reason I got rid of the bushes is because our basement flooded. Right now, this is what we have. We're gonna plant some lavender when it sprouts in my new planter. Yay! Lisa's tomato plant. Yay! Plushies. Yay! And that's it. It was a lot of work. Hope you enjoyed.